Joe and his twin sister Maggie do lots of stuff online. They buy new music and concert tickets and log into sites that keep them in touch with friends. Their bank accounts are online too, so they can make sure they have money for pizza. Many things they do online and elsewhere require them to use private, personal information. This includes things such as website passwords, credit card and student ID numbers, name, address, email address, and phone number, or pictures of them, their family, and their friends. Like Joe and Maggie, you probably use your personal information every day. It's like an information wallet that you open up when you shop online, check your email, or log into a website. But personal information can be used to do seriously uncool stuff, such as impersonating you online or buying stuff without your knowledge. That's why your wallet should be kept in a safe place so that all your personal information is secure. To understand how to do this, let's check out Joe and Maggie again. When Joe logs into any website that requests personal information, such as his bank account or email, he makes sure there's a lock icon in his web browser. That means his information will be secure. Joe knows not to use obvious words for his password, like his dog's name, his nickname, or his street name, because people can guess that kind of stuff easily. On top of that, he never gives out passwords to anyone, even his best friends. To keep himself extra safe, Joe changes his passwords often, and he makes sure the security software on his home computer is up to date. If he ever uses a public computer, he always makes sure he logs out when he's done. Meanwhile, Maggie knows she shouldn't give out information that reveals where she lives, such as her address and phone number, or even pictures that show what city she lives in, or where she goes to school. Giving this information to strangers can be dangerous after all. Of course, it's okay to give out certain things, such as your address and phone number, when a friend wants to come over and hang. But keep in mind that you should only give this to people you trust. A big part of staying safe is knowing how to keep your personal info protected. If you're ever unsure about what to do, think about what Joe and Maggie would do, and you'll be all good.